Halloween is just around the corner, and if you're still looking for a costume idea, you've come to the right place. Picking a costume this year has some additional challenges when deciding on a makeup look, since we are all wearing masks anytime we leave the house. I love creating extravagant characters and didn't want COVID to get in the way of that, so this year I had to think outside the box. Typically, when doing a skeleton look, I use cream or water based face paint that rubs off super easily and would not hold up to wearing a mask. Using these temporary tattoos from Amazon and some white face powder, I created this half skeleton look that wouldn't be ruined by wearing a mask. I started by drawing a line down the middle of my face and adding a base layer of foundation and concealer to what will end up being the living side of my face. Make sure not to put any makeup primer on the skeleton side of your face. I will show you later on in this video why it doesn't work, but for now, just trust me on this one. Cut the temporary tattoo in half, straight down the nose. You're going to use the right side of that tattoo for the right side of your face. I applied the tattoo in segments so I could make sure everything lined up on my face. I started with the small segments on my nose, then my teeth. The largest piece was on my cheek. I cut that tattoo as close to the edges as possible, so once the design was flipped over, I would be able to see where I wanted to place it. Once you've found your placement, remove the clear film and place the tattoo with the ink side on your face. Take a wet beauty blender and press it onto the paper. The paper will absorb the water and transfer the design to your skin. It doesn't take very long, but do make sure the entire paper is saturated. Once ready, the paper will easily slide off your face. Repeat this with the remaining segments. Next, I completed the living side of my face. I'm using show you of what not to do. You can see I started with the white powder, very watery, and before putting the tattoos on. This didn't work for two reasons. The first is that I use a silicone-based face primer. Water doesn't grip to silicone, so when you apply a water-based makeup to that, it will slide right off. The second reason is you have to add water to the temporary tattoo to get it to transfer. If you have a water-based makeup underneath, even if it's already dry, it will smear when you try to add the tattoo. Once I realized this was just not working at all, I took everything off that side and tried again. Please learn from my mistakes and just leave the skeleton side of your face entirely blank to start. So the big question I'm sure you've all been waiting for is, how do you remove the tattoos once you're done? Temporary tattoos typically last a week or so. We can't all have a skull on our face for that long. I love using temporary tattoos, and the best way I've found to remove them is to use baby oil or an oil-based eye makeup remover. Here I used a makeup remover to get everything off except for the tattoos, and then used baby oil on a cotton pad to soak the tattoo. It will begin lifting, and once I felt it had lifted enough that I could kind of peel it off, I hopped in the shower and used my normal face wash. Once I got out, not too much of the tattoo was left. I took a cotton swab with baby oil once again to get those last few spots. The entire tattoo removal process took only about 10 minutes. I hope you've all found this tutorial useful. Please remember to wear your mask and stay safe out there this year. Happy Halloween!